Okay, hello. Today I will be showing you how to outline any character and make them glow. So first you want to just choose your pose, and then you want to go to export, and then you can export it with a regular code or an offline code. The offline code is faster, so I'm just going to use that. So then you just paste it. So then you get your character, and then you basically just make everything white, and then make everything black, and then the outline white. So don't worry about Foxy's ears. That won't really matter. And for me, I don't really do the face, so you can just get rid of the face if you want. But if you want to keep it, then that's fine as well. Okay, so then you make everything black and white. And you just keep doing that. Until there's no color left. Oh, oops. Wrong color. Okay, and now you have your outline character, so you're just going to take a screenshot and then crop it. And now you're going to have to download Ibis Paint, and once you already have it, then you go. Okay, now that we have imported our photo onto Ibis Paint, you want to get the brush light. When you scroll, it's about in the middle area, middle up. And then you just want to choose the color you want. For Funtime Foxy, I'm going to choose pink. And then when you go here, and then you want to go to type, and then you want to make sure the body color is white. And then, of course, you want to make another layer, and then you just start outlining. Oh, and you can make the glow any size you want. I'm just using this size, so. Okay, so when you're done with your outlines, you want to go back to the original photo or layer, and then you just want to get this pen or any pen, and then just make it the biggest, and then make the color black, and then just do this. So now you have your glowing character, and then you can just save it to photos, and then you have it. I will also be showing me a sped up video of me tracing my Funtime Foxy character with the glow pen, and yeah. Okay, so this is the result, and I hope you're happy with your